Hey everyone, always wanted to do lunges but don't know how? Then here is a step-by-step tutorial for you. Stand shoulder width apart. Now get one leg forward and the other leg back. Make sure the distance between both the feet is more than shoulder width. Now you can place your arms on your waist or on the wall to balance. Now think about going downward and from there do not go forward. Yes, the motion is more downward. Squeeze your glutes and engage your core. And if you feel that you're not able to balance, place one hand on the wall or something on the side and go down in a lunge. Yes, now make sure that the feet at the back is on the toes and you're not on the heels. Let's try this. Going down and up. One more time. Look forward, spine straight, and here it is. Do try and let me know.